The 2026 Honda CB500T is the latest evolution in Honda's iconic CB series, blending classic styling with modern performance. This bike is designed for riders who appreciate a balance between everyday usability and thrilling rides. Under the hood, the CB500T retains its reliable 471cc parallel twin engine, but with refinements for smoother power delivery and improved fuel efficiency. Honda engineers have fine-tuned the fuel injection system, ensuring crisp throttle response whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the open highway. One of the standout features of the 2026 model is its redesigned chassis, offering better stability and agility. The lightweight steel frame contributes to a nimble ride, while the suspension setup, 41mm telescopic forks at the front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear, provides a comfortable yet sporty feel. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend adventurer, the CB500T adapts effortlessly to different riding conditions. Braking performance has also seen an upgrade, with dual 296mm front discs gripped by Nissin 2-piston calipers and a single 240mm rear disc. The inclusion of dual-channel ABS ensures confident stopping power, even in wet or slippery conditions. Riders will appreciate the precise control and added safety, making this bike a reliable choice for both new and experienced motorcyclists. The 2026 Honda CB500T doesn't just perform well, it looks stunning too. The retro-inspired design pays homage to the classic CB models, with a round LED headlight, a sleek fuel tank, and a minimalist tail section. The ergonomics are well thought out, featuring a slightly upright riding position that reduces fatigue on longer rides. The seat height remains accessible at 31.1 inches, catering to a wide range of riders. Technology hasn't been overlooked either. The instrument cluster is a mix of analog and digital, providing essential information like speed, RPM, fuel level, and gear position at a glance. Honda has also added smartphone connectivity, allowing riders to receive notifications and navigation prompts seamlessly. The LED lighting all around enhances visibility, ensuring you're seen on the road day or night. For those who love customization, the 2026 CB500T offers a range of genuine Honda accessories, including luggage options, upgraded seats, and aesthetic enhancements. Whether you're aiming for a classic cafe racer look or a more modern street fighter style, this bike serves as an excellent canvas. In terms of fuel economy, the CB500T continues to impress, delivering an estimated 65 to 70 mpg, thanks to its efficient engine and optimized gearing. The 4.6-gallon fuel tank ensures fewer stops on long rides, making it a practical choice for touring enthusiasts. The 2026 Honda CB500T is more than just a motorcycle, it's a perfect blend of heritage and innovation. With its reliable performance, striking design, and rider-friendly features, it's set to be a favorite among middleweight bike enthusiasts. Whether you're upgrading from a smaller displacement bike or looking for a dependable daily rider, the CB500T is worth serious consideration.